this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide a slide in your presentation in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you have any of the slides that you want to be hidden during your presentation without deleting it, it is pretty much simple. For my case, I want to go ahead and present my slides here. However, I like to go ahead and hide this second slide. To hide it, it is simple. Just head over to the slide that you want to hide and then right click on it, and you'll see we have this option called skip slide. So if I click on skip slide, you can see now it has been skipped. So if I go ahead and click on slideshow, you realize that the second slide will not be presented during the slideshow. So let's go ahead and see. So I'll click on slideshow and here begins. So that is the first slide, and look at that. So if I click on next, the second slide has been hidden, and now we are on the third and continuous slides. And if I exit, you can see the second slide is here and it was not displayed amongst my slides. To unhide it, go ahead and right click on it again and then click on skip slide, and it will be now available. So that's how you can hide a slide or slides in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.